Hello YouTube. There's not much out there, so I'm gonna try to post something. This is for the Amazon. Probably gonna be the same for the wagon and sedans. This is a 65, and we're gonna talk about the headliner. Now, I already ripped the headliner out today, so we've got it all out. We've got the, I don't know what they're called, bows or something like that, that go in and hold the headliner up. And like some of the older cars, those go into a pocket, but these just sit into a channel up here. And since there's no pocket, you gotta know where it lines up, and it just so happens that they basically line up with each of the holes in here. So when you put the headliner in and you stand it up, they're gonna line up with the holes, except for the very last one, which looks like it's held in place by one of those like brake line clamps. So we've got that explained. Now the next thing is like the new headliner you're going to install. It's going to get tucked in the sides, and there's teeth that grip it, but on the windshield and rear window part, it has, this is from the old headliner, it has this black strip that's welded into it. And you'll start from either front or back. I'm probably going to start from the front, but it's going to be tucked in like this, and that's what's going to hold your new headliner in on the front and back. And once you do that and make sure your headliner's all centered, you're going to tuck it in on the edges. So basically, you've got these strips here that these bows fit into, just, wherever. But after, and we'll see how it turns out, but it's basically going to be tucked into here. Hold on, sorry. So it's tucked into there, and then I believe, well, I guess that didn't work very much, or very well, but if you look, sorry about that, that's where the sides of the headliner are going to get tucked up. And let's see if we can see it. There are little teeth. There we go. There are little teeth that's going to grip the sides of the headliner when you shove it up in there, I believe. Yeah, you see the teeth? They're kind of pointed in, and I have them loose. So that's going to be tight. It's going to press the teeth against the inside of the roof, so that when you tuck the headliner sides up, if the headliner tries to pull down from being tucked up, it should tear right into the teeth, or at least that's the way it looked when I took it out. So that's I think a basic explanation of what to look forward to if you're gonna do the headliner in your Amazon. I will let you know how it turns out, or maybe even take a video as I'm doing it. But as you can see, on the driver's side is where the wire is that feeds the overhead light, and also all the wires to your rear tail light, and everything gets run along the roof, and then inside the framing down into your truck. So hopefully that helps anybody that's wondering about replacing the headliners. Catch you later.